My name is Sandeep Garg. I'm a cardiologist with Oregon Clinic. What happens with atrial fibrillation is your top chambers of the heart start beating irregular, and that makes your bottom heart rate go fast. And the two main problems with atrial fibrillation is symptoms, and the second is stroke. And stroke is a big one because you can develop a clot in the top chamber of the heart, and one of the tiny clots can take off and go to the brain and can cause a stroke. So if atrial fibrillation comes back, then we have to increase medications, sometimes even ablation. One of the biggest challenges with atrial fibrillation is also there are a lot of risk factors that make it managing atrial fibrillation very difficult. Weight, obesity clearly is a huge risk factor. And I try to kind of explain it to them. The pills that you're taking, those are just Band-Aids. Yeah, so in my opinion, diet and exercise absolutely has a positive impact on both with atrial fibrillation and other cardiovascular risk factors. I happen to believe that the healthiest way to stay healthy is really eating whole food, plant-based diet. So when you look at plant-based diet, by default, you're cutting down your salt consumption, you're cutting down your calorie consumption, you're cutting down your chemical consumption, you're cutting down your fat consumption. I think exercise, what I tell patients is that, anything they do, even if it's a little bit, is better than not doing anything at all. So start from something, whatever your body allows. So when you exercise, those arteries can dilate to the exercise response versus people who have cholesterol buildup, who have unhealthy vessels, their arteries don't dilate. So they get chest pain, they get heart disease. Now you get heart disease, you damage your heart muscle, now you're living with congestive heart failure and scar. By eating healthy, you keep the inner lining and the arteries that supply blood to the heart healthy. So you keep the blood flowing through them normally. So that's how you keep your heart healthy, by eating healthy.